to the gantry today. No rain in sight. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And we have action from the round of 16 just seconds away now. It's Nashville, and they take on the San Jose Earthquakes.
Yes, Derek, we're getting to the business end now. Just 16 teams remain. Who can hold their nerve and book a place in the quarterfinals? We're 90 minutes from finding out. It should be a great game.
So the initial 11 for the home side.
Well, it's certainly a back four, but I think we'll see a lot of rotation in midfield. They just need to have a good understanding.
Now hold on, Stuart, they're in here. This looks promising. Opportunity here. Oh, goodness me, off the post. And after all that, the keeper clutches it with glee.
Well, no wonder he's relieved. That was so close, inches away from a very good goal.
And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Can someone get on the end of this? Not the best clearance. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. A chance to whip it in. Decisive pass. Just needs to keep a cool head. And a goal it is! No long wait for the opener today.
Yeah, here's the set-up play. Well, it's a great little back heel, isn't it? And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Back underway, 1-0 it is. Hani Mukhtar. Maher. Lovitz. And a tidy tackle. Now, who can he play it to? Can he take advantage? They've only gone in front of another one. 2 goals in quick succession. Now they have the lead. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0.
Number 17, Joseph Martinez.
Schaffelberg. An important interception. Trying to open up the defence. And now can he keep calm? And a goal! Wonderful stuff as they accelerate away from the opposition.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Gaston Brugman. Mule. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Decent position. Could be. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end, but his movement was really good. He just found himself a bit of space in the box when it mattered most.
So the ball is moving again. We've been treated to 4 goals. 3-1 the score. Well, strong play here. Martinez. Kay. It'll be a corner. But he's gone short with it. Well, they'll try to keep the pressure on in the form of another corner. Played over. And well positioned to clear. Lovitz. Alex Mule. Brugman. Andy Nahar. Mule. Well, half-time coming up, and this is not exactly what the home fans came to see. Stuart, your thoughts on what we've seen?
Well, they can certainly play better than this. They've been too slow in possession and
Oh, Stuart, they might be onto something here. And a goal! He's doubled his total for the day. It's superb scoring form.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he's still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. Schaffelberg. He's in here. Must finish. Not to be for him. He went for power over placement.
Well, you're right. He decided to go for the power, which in the end he couldn't control. He'll be furious with himself. That's a big miss.
The defenders there, you can't really allow space like that. Incisive pass. He might profit from here, you know. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, here it is, 1v1 against the keeper, and the outcome was never really in doubt. He never looked like missing that.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 2 extra minutes. Hani Mukhtar. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. A chance to whip it in. The second half commences. It was such a one-sided first half. Might it be different this time round? Well, this could really help the cause. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Lovitz. Alex Mule. Clean challenge. Martinez. Mukhtar. Surridge. Strong but fair tackle. Wilson. Bruno Wilson. Really well played pass. Might be able to set up the chance. Martinez. Stefan Jones. It might be. A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Here's the replay, and it's a really good bit of play. Watch how he turns his marker and then has the composure to finish. That's a top-class goal.
San Jose Earthquakes goal. Number 10, Christian Espinoza.
And into the last 30 minutes now. Daniel Lovitz. Surridge. Brugman. Gaston Brugman. Sam Surridge. Not looking all that comfortable on the ball. And it might be. And keeping it out. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. It's a short corner. They'll repeat the trick. Corner again. Who can they pick out? Well, really, it had to be further away from the keeper.
Lose something?
Lovitz.
Some felon is located at guest relations near the main entrance.
"20 minutes to go. Hani Mukhtar. Gaston Brugman. Difficult to stop him. And slipped through beautifully. Simple for the keeper. Arango. He might be through here. And there is the goal to make it a hat-trick. Excellence in finishing, there for all to see.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Goal for San Jose Earthquakes. Number 10, Christian
Daniel Lovitz.
Espinoza.
Brugman has it. Nahar. Hani Mukhtar. Lovitz. Tyler Boyd with it. Teal Bunbury. Boyd. Maher. Mukhtar. Andy Nahar. Teal Bunbury. And a tidy tackle. Okay. So the final whistle almost upon us, and this is not exactly what the home fans had in mind when they arrived at the ground today, Stuart.
Well, they just never got going. People will point fingers towards the centre-backs and keeper, and to be fair, they've been poor, no doubt about that. But they haven't had much protection. There's been so much space for their opponents to operate in, and they've had a field day. The final whistle can't come soon enough.
And he has options available. It should be. And a fine stop. And they're making a change. Trying to pick out a teammate. Well, not cleared away completely. Well, that's a sad end to the attack. There's the final whistle. The travelling fans are full of the joys because they are moving on.
Well, it was all at a bit of a canter, to be honest. They dominated pretty much from the start, and it left the result in little doubt. They'll be full of confidence going into the next round.